Mheshimiwa, naitwa Kaheni and I am glad to introduce you to the first lesson of learning the basic theory of a guitar. The instrument I am having here is called a box guitar, and a guitar is divided into three parts, and from here to here it is the head, and at the head is where we adjust or where we tune the guitar so that the strings can produce a standard sound. Then from here to here it is the neck, and the correct name of this neck is the fretboard. Then from here to here we have the body, and this is where we strum these strings. We strum or we pluck them. So coming to the neck, which is the fretboard, it is called the fretboard because the boxes zenye unaona hapa ndizo zinaitwa frets. So having the name fretboard. This is the first fret, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. This is the 12th fret. The 12th fret is very unique because these small circles you are seeing here, in a full band we have three guitars. We have the bass, we have the leading, and we have the solo. The solo is the one which lead the full band, the band. So when you look at the solo guitar and the leading guitar at the 3rd fret, these small circles at the 3rd fret, they are two of them. Kuna kamoja hapa juu na kingine hapa chini. So bila kuambiwa unajua hiyo ni the 3rd fret. Na hiyo fret inaitwa fret E. Ni fret E kwa sababu ina keyboard and in a guitar we have 7 keys. We have key A, key B, key C, D, E, F, G. Then these frets are named according to those keys. The first key is F, then F sharp. The second fret is F sharp. Then G, G sharp. Kwa sababu tumefika mwisho, tunaanza at the beginning of the letter ya kwanza ambayo ni A. So the 5th fret ni A, A sharp, B. B hainanga sharp, so we go direct to C. C, C sharp, B, D sharp, E. At the 12th fret, fret E, the 12th fret. Then tuna proceed. Sasa the old fret, the 12th fret, the keys in a go reverse back. So now coming along the fret, we have the strings. Strings are named numerically and alphabetically. Naming the strings numerically, we start downwards to upwards. So we have string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4, string 5, string 6. Numerically. Then alphabetically, they are named according to those keys. Key A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Having the formula, eat all day, go to bed early. Now that formula is applied from upward to downward. Eat all day, eat. String E, nayo itakuwa low E, L-O-W. All, E-double-L, string A, the 5th string. Day, string D, the 4th string. Go, string G, the 3rd string. To bed, bed, string B, the 2nd string. Early, string E, the 1st string. Nayo ni ya ile ya juu kabisa ilikuwa low E. The first string now it will be high E, H-I-G-H. And this is mpaka hapo umeelewa. Then tukuja kwa mikono. The right hand huwa inatumiwa, if you are right handed, huwa inatumiwa ku strum or to pluck. Now the left hand inatumiwa to change the chords. If it is G, C, D. The left hand inatumiwa ku change those chords. So having the left hand, this is the thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. The thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. And now we have the keys. With those keys from A to G, we have the root chords. Root chords of the same keys. So we have a root chord of A, a root chord of B, a root chord of C, a root chord of D, a root chord of E, F, and G. Root chord of A, B, and E single. Zinachezwa zikiwa hivyo. But root chord of C, root chord of D, root chord of F and root chord of G, they are played as triple. Zinachezwa na 3 chords. For example, the root chord of C is C, F, G. Now the progression, it is the time you are playing here. You are strumming. The progression of C, F, G is C, F, C, G. You repeat the first key. C, F, C, G. The root chord of D is D, G, A. Now the progression is D, G, D, A. You repeat the first key. Then the root chord of G is G, C, D. G, C, G, D. The progression. Then the one for F is F, B, A. Now its progression is F, B, F, A. Now I will start with the first root chord of G, which is G, C, D. We will use the first 3 frets. Fret 1, fret 2, fret 3. Now I will show you how we hold G, how we hold C, and how to hold D. Now, holding G, the third finger is always, we hold the C string in the third fret. And I want to show you one thing. This third finger is always above the second finger. Now, if the third finger holds string 6 in the third fret, the second finger will hold the 5th string, the fret which is enyikobere. So, if the third finger holds string 5, the second finger will hold fret 2, fret enyikobere, string enyikochini. So, hii kiguza 5, hii itaguza 4, string enyikobere. Like that. That finger ikihold string 4, third fret, second finger itahold fret 2, third string. That finger ikihold fret 2, ikihold fret 3 string 2, second finger itahold fret 2 string 1. Like that. Hiyo ni trick moja. So, kushika G, that finger ina hold fret 3 string 6. Obvious, second finger itakuwa hiyo fret iko mbele, string yenye iko chini ambayo ni string 5. Hivyo, then to make it complete, the fourth finger ina hold fret 3 string 1, like that. That's now our G. That is now our G. Then we go to C. C, that finger ina hold third fret string 5. Obvious, the second finger ita hold fret yenye iko mbele, string yenye iko chini. So itaenda fret 2 string 4. Then our first finger ita hold fret 1 string 2. Fret 1 string 2, like that. That's now our C. Kisikia kuna tofauti vile nimestrum G na vile nitastrum C. Nasikia kuna tofauti. Then we go to D. D, our third finger ina hold third fret, second string, like that. Obvious, the second finger itaenda fret yenye iko mbele ambayo ni fret 2, string yenye iko chini ambayo ni string 1 ina hold. Then the first finger inakuja fret 2 string 3, fret 2 string 3, like that. That's now our D. So ukisikia nikistrum utasikia kuna tofauti. G, C, D. You can see there is that difference. Now, I think our lesson have come to an end. Now the second lesson will be playing songs which are in GCD, in iko kwa hiyo progression or that root chord, and I will introduce you to the second chord, to the second root chord ambao ni DGA. Na tucheze nyimbo zenye zitachezewa kwa GCD na DGA. Now I would like you watch, you view, you like, you share, you subscribe, and you share the link. Let's meet now in the second lesson. Naitwa Kaheni Satima.